Here we are at the end of the DTF Basics journey to creating a custom designed shirt. If you've not watched the other videos in this series, you can watch the entire playlist right over here. Now that your graphic has been designed, ripped, printed, powdered, and cured, it's time to make it a shirt. When pressing a DTF transfer, the material you're pressing on is the most important factor when deciding the time, temperature, and pressure. We have a cheat sheet that you can download for free from our website as a quick reference for the heat press settings for different materials. The shirt we're pressing on today is a poly cotton blend, so we're going to press at 275 for 20 seconds with a light pressure. The heat press is melting the adhesive and bonding the shirt and the ink all together as one. It's also activating the release layer on the film. Some films are cold peel, meaning the shirt and transfer have to be cooled to room temperature before the film can be peeled. But I'm impatient, so I've used our V2 hot peel film, meaning I can peel it right away. Now, doing a second press is critical as it will increase the hand feel and durability of the transfer. You'll want to use some kind of material for the second press. We tested 12 different materials in another video and found that T-seal and parchment paper performed the best. Temperature and pressure are the same, and through more testing, we've not seen any noticeable difference when pressing for just 5 seconds like many recommend, or the full 20 seconds. If you're in a hurry, second press for 5. But if your workflow is smoother, pressing for the full 20, go for it. And there we have it, a custom-made direct-to-film shirt. If you've enjoyed this series, learning the basics and how a DTF shirt is made, let us know by clicking the like button. We have so much more on the horizon for this channel that will teach, inspire, and maybe entertain you with all things DTF, so subscribe so you don't miss any of it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Fantastic!